Hello there. Welcome to the ingredient channel where I share easy to follow homemade Chinese recipes. In this episode, I'm presenting a simple recipe for a cultural and exotic ingredient, the pork blood curd, which is solid pig blood. When blood is mentioned in the recipe, vampire and Dracula may pass by your mind naturally and easily. That's okay, but honestly, pork blood curd is such a tasty food, and they are not that hard to find in Oriental grocery stores. Pork blood curd can be cooked and served in various ways, including soup, stew, and stir fry. Today, we're making a simple stir fry with the blood curd and some greens. Get 1 pack of pork blood curd. Rinse the blood curd in cold water gently but thoroughly. Cut them into ½ centimeter thick slices. No need to slice them too thin as the curd is very tender, fragile, and easy to break. For the greens, I'm using the bok choy. Clean and separate the leaves. Remove the bottom. And we need about 2 cups of greens. In a heated pan, 3 tablespoons cooking oil. Stir fry minced garlic, red chili pepper, and ginger root until the ingredients get brown. Add 1 teaspoon of dark rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of Chinese douqi, also known as the fermented black beans. Keep stirring while separating the beans. In about 1 minute, add the greens. One teaspoon of salt, stir fry until the greens get a little bit soft. Add the pork blood curd on top. A pinch of salt. One tablespoon of cooking wine. About 3/4 cup of water. Cover, bring to a boil, and simmer for about 20 minutes until the blood curd change into the dark chocolate color. Add starch liquid, which is 1.5 teaspoon of starch with 2 tablespoons of water, well mixed. On high heat, gently flip a few times until the stock gets thick. Switch off the burner and transfer to the plate. The blood curd is tender with a texture very similar to tofu, but with an added hue of pork meat taste. I hope you like the recipe. If you do, please like and share. Also remember to subscribe for more exciting authentic Chinese recipes from my channel. Thanks and see you around!